Today we are learning the running man. So something to note about the way I do my running man is I try to have as little impact as possible because to protect my joints, my ankles, my knees. We're gonna take it really slow and really easy. This is for beginner. You've never done the running man before and you want to learn. Starting with our perch. Your perch is when you're perched on one leg, and then your other foot is up. This is the and position in the running man. So you have your steps 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So 8 and, so you're up here. And so I don't put my leg up all the way up here. I put it like about here, or even like this. Usually when I'm doing it, that's what it looks like. And then make sure this is always slightly bent, not like straight like this. Everything's slightly bent. When you go down, you're going down from your ball of your foot and down. Ball of your foot, down. So you don't just go like straight down. When it reaches the ball of your foot on the ground, you're going to put your weight on that foot and slide your other foot back. So I'll do that again. When it reaches the ground, put your weight on there and slide the other foot back. And then you kind of speed that up. Speed up that process. So put a little hop into it so it goes at the same time. So keep your knees bent and you're mostly towards the ball of your feet. When you're in this position with one foot in front of the other, you're going to hop and push that front foot back and the back foot to the front. So they're going to switch. Hop. And do that again. You're just going to hop, and when you hop, you're sliding that front foot back and putting that back foot into the perch position. Okay, so you hop. And then you do it again. Go down and hop. Down and hop. Down and hop. And you're keeping your weight mostly on the ball of your feet. So you don't want to put it on your heels. The weight's going to be on the ball of your feet. And while you're doing these, that's called micro bouncing. Micro bouncing is your main move that you want to learn in shuffling, because that's where all of your movements are going to come from. This micro bouncing. So you can practice that. It's like jumping rope. When you're doing jump rope, you just light hop. So it's and 1 and 2 and. So you keep switching which foot is up. And 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. When you're doing it, make sure knees bent, core is tight, shoulders are back. Doing 1 foot, 2 feet, and then switch. 1 foot, 2 feet, 1 foot, 2 feet, 1 foot, 2 feet. See, some people get mixed up and they'll go like this, and it's just 1 foot, 1 foot, 1 foot. Like, no, we need to do 1 foot, 2 feet, 1 foot, 2 feet, 1 foot, 2 feet. So we'll start that again. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and with and to prepare you for the next step that you're going to do. Okay, I'm already out of breath. Okay, we'll try that again. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So you'll notice knees are always bent. Remember that these are baby steps, so the better you get at doing those baby step running man, then you can go higher and you can go wider. So right now we're starting here, really small, and then you can go when you get stronger, when your muscles around your joints get stronger and you're feeling better about the bounce, then you can go bigger, 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 but still keeping in mind the ball of your foot first and then slide. Ball of your foot, slide. Ball, slide. Ball, slide. Ball, slide. Ball, slide. So you can keep it gentle on your joints. As you get better with your running man, you want to incorporate your arms so that you're not just stiff. You can, like you're walking with your arms, or you can go down with both arms, or you can go to the side. And there's all kind of things you can do with the running man. So you really want to run that running man because that's kind of like the base that you come back to as your starting position, or even to end some combos. You can come back to that running man. So if you're just starting out shuffling, you want to make sure to take your time, and you don't want to overdo it. And so you kind of want to set a limit to how much you practice every day so that you don't hurt yourself. So with this running man, practice it little by little throughout the day. It'll become just autopilot and you'll be able to do it without thinking. You can follow me for more tips and subscribe to learn more shuffle moves. This is my first tutorial and I'll definitely have more coming soon. Follow for the T-step is coming up next, and all the basic moves are coming up. So thanks for watching, and I hope you learned, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you'll be back. Bye. 1 and 2.